Hey, welcome back to the Fit to Survive channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing some of the Dragonox, just finished up. So this is a Dragonox mechanic. So we have the Spyderco blade, a small blade, the pliers, and the openers. So first of all, the scales here, they're titanium. They have a laser engraved Damascus pattern. It's kind of cool, you can see the blue G10 peeking through. There's a little like plus logo on the back. So the tools are left stainless. And you can see the liners are blue G10. We have blue accessories, so got the blue pick, the blue tweezers there. Something else, generally on the cannon bottle layer, cannon bottle opener layer, you usually have the awl. So we've done a little mod here. So we have the mini screwdriver in place of the awl. So that was done by simply adding a small little spacer and slightly modifying the mini screwdriver. All right, so the Spyderco blade, it is the limited edition Damascus. So from Knife Joy. I'll include a link to this in the description of the video. So really beautiful Damascus blade there. It's also VG10 steel. And this is nice and sharp. All right, so something that a lot of people ask is actually on how to access it. Because with your right hand, like you would want to reach it, you can. So you can see I reached over the openers and the pliers, and I just got my thumb into that hole. And so you can open it one-handed with your right hand, even though the Spyderco is actually more located for the left thumb. You can see this be more easy. But it can, basically you can reach the Spyderco with your right thumb. Other option is with your middle finger, get a hold of that. But it's kind of dangerous because if it snaps back shut and your pinky's down there, you can cut yourself. And so the best way is if you just get some practice on reaching over the other tools, you can actually get it with one motion there. All right, got some nice action there. Snappy. All right, then we have the small blade, like I said. Pliers, can opener, and the bottle opener. Something unique, the guy who ordered this, he requested no keychain loop. So I use an older spring, and so it does not have any keychain loops. All right, so that is the Dragonox mechanic with that Damascus Spyderco blade. So let me know what you think about that build, about that setup, what you think about reaching over to access the Dragonfly. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.